Hi everyone, welcome to California. You're watching Indian Cooking with Suganthi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Tapioca Kolukattai, Maravallikilangu Kolukattai. This Tapioca Kolukattai or Maravallikilangu Kolukattai is very common in the southern India, especially in Tamil Nadu and Kerala, where this root is cultivated and readily available. And I was very surprised to see when I went to Fiji Islands, they also make the same dish and they call it Vakalolo. If you have not subscribed to my channel Indian Cooking with Suganthi, please subscribe and please click the bell button so whenever I post new videos, you will be notified. Let's look at the ingredients for this recipe. Tapioca root. In Tamil we call it Maravallikilangu. Kilangu means root. And then cardamom, yelakkai, in Hindi ilachi, and sugar. You can even use brown sugar or vellam. And this is some coconut, shredded coconut, and ghee. So these are the ingredients. I'm going to use banana leaves to wrap the kolukattai and steam. If you don't have the banana leaves, that's okay. Next, I'm going to show you how to peel and cut the root. The skin is really thick, so you have to peel the skin first. So this is what my mom used to do. I have seen her doing this. Cut the roots into smaller pieces. The roots are really hard. Just be careful when you do the cutting. Next, take the pieces one by one and cut across just like that. Just make a slit just through the skin. Just like that. Then insert your knife into the cut and just tilt your knife to the sideways. And then you can see the skin just coming off. See how thick the skin is? You can just peel it. Just loosen up the skin and with your knife just press the skin at one end and just keep rolling the root. It'll just peel off. That's it. And discard the skin. And let me show you one more time, the same one. Just cut the skin a little bit and put the knife inside, tilt it to just loosen up the skin and just peel it. And you can just peel the skin off just like the way I showed you. That's it. This is the easy way to peel the tapioca skin. Next, we are going to grate or shred the tapioca root. Shred all the pieces just like this. All the tapioca roots are shredded now. And I cut the banana leaves into smaller pieces and I powdered the cardamom. And to steam the kolukattai, I'm using the idli chutney. Sometimes I use this bamboo steamer also, but you can use whichever steamer that's available to you. Okay, let's start the cooking. First, add about half a teaspoon salt to the shredded tapioca roots. Next, add about 2 cups of shredded coconut. This 1 cup and the second cup. For 4 cups of tapioca, 2 cups of shredded coconut. Mix it really well. And then add the sugar. It's as much as you want. That's a clove. If you want, you can leave it. So you can add anywhere from 1 cup of sugar or more. And this is cardamom, powdered cardamom. I'm using about 1 teaspoon cardamom. This is also according to your taste. And mix everything together really well. Use your hand, it's better. Tapioca mixture is nicely mixed. It's ready for steaming. Before steaming, just check if the sugar and everything is okay. Take 1 piece of banana leaf and spread a little bit of ghee on top, and then take the mixture, just roll it in your hand, and then just place it on the leaf and just fold the leaf. You can fold it in any shape and just tie it. You can use the same banana leaf, you can just tear a little piece and then tie it like this, and then put it aside. And I'm using the idli chutney, so place it on the idli plate, the mold. Make another one same way. Take the leaf piece and then put ghee, spread the ghee, and then place the mixture, tap it a little bit, fold it and then tie it. If you slightly roast the leaf in the flame, a banana leaf become flexible, then you can make it even like a triangular shape. The leaf won't break. Since I didn't do it this time, I'm just rolling it like this rectangular shape. So the little sweet bundles are ready to be steamed. Make sure you do not overload the plates. Just like this, just about 1 layer of bundles at a time, so it'll get cooked evenly. Let's get the idli chutney ready. Pour some water, about 1/3 of the chutney, and then let it boil really well. And then you place the plates one by one. The smaller plate goes first. And the other one on top. Just put the lid on tightly, make sure the steam doesn't escape, and then cook for about 10 minutes in medium heat. After about 7 to 10 minutes, open the lid and check. You can see the leaves are discolored now, and just check the inside to see if it's cooked fully. If it's cooked, it'll be transparent, just like this. It's fine, it's cooked now. It's cooked, so now we can remove the trays off the stove. It's piping hot. Let's open the bundles and see. Wow. You know, the smell you're getting, it's so aromatic. It's wonderful smell. Coconut and cooked in banana leaf. It's heavenly. It's beautiful. So here is your tapioca Kolukattai in Fijian Vakalolo is ready. So the rest of the tapioca mixture, I'm going to cook it differently. Here is the tapioca Kolukattai, the yummy tapioca Kolukattai with coconut and sugar. And Fijian Vakalolo. Delicious Kolukattai is ready. Let's eat it. The smell is so good, so nice. Believe me, it's so delicious. Delicious Kolukattai is served. Tapioca Kolukattai is served. Enjoy. Vakalolo is served. Enjoy. Half of the remaining tapioca mixture, make it like this. On a banana leaf, spread it like this, like an appam. Just put some ghee, spread some ghee and put the mixture and tap it like, just make it like a shape of an adai, thick adai, and fold the banana leaf and cut the edges so it will fit in the idli plate and steam it. So this is going to be the tapioca sweet appam. Cut the corners just like this, maybe a little bit more, so that it will fit in the idli plate. I have to cut a little bit more. So the tapioca appam is ready to be steamed. Place the idli plate inside the idli chutney. If the leaf is sticking out, just trim it, just cut it so that the plate fits right inside that pot, and put the lid on and make sure the steam doesn't escape. After 10 minutes, your tapioca sweet appam is ready. Wow, it's steaming hot and the smell is, like I said, it's so aromatic. Cooked in the banana leaf with the ghee and the coconut. It's wonderful. You can slice it like this and then serve. So this is the tapioca sweet appam. It's ready. This is the easiest way. The third way of steaming. Take the idli plates and place the leaves. You can reuse the leaves, and then place the mixture just like this in the holes in the mold, and then you can steam it. You can call it tapioca sweet idli. Place it in the idli pot and steam it for about 10 minutes. Put the lid and wait for about 10 minutes. Let's check. It's ready, it's cooked. So here is your sweet tapioca idlis. Here is the yummy tapioca sweet idlis. Enjoy. I hope you enjoy the video. Please try making the Kolukattai Vakalolo, and please leave your comment in the comments column. As you saw in this video, this tapioca treat doesn't have to be any particular shape. You can make your own shape and you can use any kind of steamer that's available at home. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell button so you won't miss any of my videos. Your subscriptions mean a lot to me and they are free. Please share the video with your family and friends, and I will be back soon with another interesting video or recipe. Until then, take care and thank you for watching.